Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be making some sweet and sour chicken. If you're interested in seeing how it's done, then keep on watching. To begin cooking, I am going to prep all my ingredients. I have 2 chicken breasts that I will be using today, and first I am going to cut them into small bite-sized pieces. Next, I am going to go ahead and season the chicken, and to do so, I will be using some garlic and onion powder, red crushed pepper, all-purpose seasoning, and some paprika for color. Guys, you can use your favorite seasoning of choice and you can season to your liking. Next, I am going to make a nice thick batter for the chicken, and to do so, I will be using some flour, baking powder, cornstarch, and I am going to mix that well with some water. Adding the batter to the seasoned chicken, I am going to mix it well and let it marinate for about 20 to 30 minutes before frying. I am going to go ahead and prepare my seasons for my sweet and sour. So guys, you know that sweet and sour always have those colorful bell peppers, right? So I am using some red, green, and yellow bell peppers. I am going to cut those into some big sizes. I have some onion, green onion, ginger, and garlic. And guys, I am just prepping all my ingredients and setting them aside so when I'm cooking, I don't have to go back and forth. Here, I am crushing some ginger. I rather to do so than to mince it. Here I have some pineapple slices that I will be using, and I am going to cut them into smaller pieces. go ahead and prepare my sweet and sour sauce, and to do so I will be using some pineapple juice, orange juice, soy sauce, vinegar, ketchup, sugar, and some cornstarch. I am adding some oil to a pot and preheating it to fry the chicken. I am going to go ahead and fry the chicken for about 5 minutes or until golden brown. Next, I am going to drizzle some olive oil in a pot to saute my seasons for about 1 to 2 minutes. Here, I am adding my minced garlic and crushed ginger. Next, I am adding my diced pineapples. I am adding my sweet and sour sauce, and I am going to let that cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. I am going to go ahead and add the chicken. I am going to mix everything together until the chicken is well coated in the sauce. I wish y'all could have smelled this chicken. The aroma was to die for. Guys, it tasted so good. I want you guys to give this recipe a try. Leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoy it, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I appreciate you guys. Bye.